Industries is Canada's largest steel building manufacturer. They distribute their Made Strong steel products for industrial, commercial, recreational, and institutional facilities. This high-tech production facility is capable of fulfilling the most demanding needs in steel building systems.
One of the largest projects we've ever accomplished was a FIFA certified facility in southern Siberia. It's a 315-foot clear span building, houses a soccer field for the pro team in Krasnoyarsk, Siberia. With 70 container loads of steel left our factory in July 3 years ago and was constructed in 4 months. That project launched us into a whole new realm of possibilities overseas. The building we did in Siberia is an excellent example of how BEHLEN overcame many obstacles in order to do something that many people said we couldn't do. We had to come up with new types of steel, new design, and do spans that were 50 feet larger than any span we'd ever accomplished or any other manufacturer had ever accomplished before. And that really speaks to the amount of integrity and the drive of our people to do something new, different, and innovative. From our sales and marketing department straight through to our shop floor, we have the best team people that puts the best projects together. We're not scared to take on big projects. We're not scared to put volume into the shop, and we will always get the best product out to our customer. The other side of that is our ownership. Working for the WGI Group is one of the best places to work. Huge support. They've spent millions of dollars in our factory, making it the most modern, fast-moving steel manufacturer in Canada, and the future is extremely bright.
Through a commitment to quality, innovation, and customer service, and utilizing the most advanced robotic welding cell technology, BEHLEN has asserted itself as an industry leader and the first company to utilize robotic welding tools for high customization work. Join the conversation. Join the revolution.